To fix login error in Love Holidays application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. And about the login problem, simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down again and navigate yourself to the Love Holidays application. Click on Show All. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and click on Reinstall Application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there is any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.